Hey everyone, Matt King with the King Piers team, out here with another video showcase of the nation's very best engineering sound foundation repair. If you'd like to see more, we highly encourage you to visit us over on our YouTube and Facebook channels. If you haven't visited before, just search for King Piers LLC. And while you're there, we'd really appreciate it if you left a like and a subscribe. We are out here finishing up our second project in Gladstone, Missouri. Wanted to take a moment to detail exactly how we ensure the wall remains vertical. You saw in the video yesterday that we straightened it to vertical. You saw how we did that with our angle iron and 6x6 treated wood support posts, 30-ton hydraulic bottle jacks. But right here, this is how we make sure that these walls remain perfectly vertical. Wall braces are installed where the bottom end is set right on top of the footing, about 4 inches roughly below the existing concrete floor that I'm standing on. So we encase that bottom end in high strength concrete while that bottom end of the brace is on that footing. The upper end is secured this way. Treated wood, 6x6 treated wood support posts, bolted from the side. I mean, we come out fairly far between the floor joists to ensure that the upper ends are locked in. The upper end of the brace is approximately halfway between the existing ceiling joists. So we really make sure to overkill how secure these wall braces are, because ultimately they're designed and are installed so that the wall doesn't move in the future. So we want to make sure that when we're here and doing our work, we're doing it correctly the first time. So this is exactly how something like this needs to go. The King Pier methodology to ensure that these remain in place. And another thing I'd like to point out, most foundation companies will use a smaller I-beam wall brace. We use H-beams. They're more structurally sound. Depending on the layout of the foundation wall, we can typically space these out a little bit farther than you would with a normal I-beam. So it covers more area. They're more structurally sound. It's just a better overall option to make sure that a foundation wall remains vertical like it should be. So we're getting started on the backfill right now. We're going to finish getting everything sealed up here on the inside, and we should be out of here hopefully later this afternoon. So stay tuned for more updates. Again, you can find those on our YouTube and Facebook channels. Just search for King Piers LLC. If you have not visited before, while you're there, we'd really appreciate it. Again, if you'd leave a like and a subscribe. You can also check us out on our website, www.kingpiers.com. And don't forget, you can always call us directly by phone at 1-816-288-4373.